What are dead hang pull-ups and how could you possibly benefit from doing them? Stick around to find out. Hey, it's Oskar from GoPrimate here, and in this video I'm going to explain to you what dead hang pull-ups are and 4 ways on how you can benefit from doing them. So dead hang pull-ups are actually called scapular pull-ups, and what they are is that they are a pull-up with only the shoulder retraction phase. So you're going to be hanging from a bar, pulling your shoulder blades down and back. So you're going to be retracting and depressing your shoulder blades. So you're going to be pulling your shoulder blades all the way down as much as you can, have around a 2-second squeeze at the top, and lower yourself in a controlled way. So that is how you do a scapular pull-up. It's very, very simple in itself. Now there are a few benefits that you can get from scapular pull-ups. It trains your grip, strength, endurance, and your forearms at the same time, which is basically the same thing. It trains your lower trapezius, and they teach you how to stabilize your scapula, which is going to be a very important concept when it comes to doing actual pull-ups. So the benefits you actually get from practicing that scapula stability is that when you do your pull-ups, you're going to firstly get better results if you know how to retract your shoulder blades. And number 2, it's also going to protect your shoulders. So those are the 2 reasons why you want to improve your scapula stability. Better results from pull-ups, and it protects the shoulders when doing pull-ups. And hey, if you want to learn how to get the best results from your pull-ups, then I highly recommend that you check out this video right here. It's going to teach you how to do your pull-ups for best results. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful, and if you got some value from this, then please go ahead and leave this video a like, so I appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to optimize your body weight, ring, and at-home fitness training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.